This is the G502X Plus mouse from Logitech. It's the latest iteration to one of Logitech's best-selling and well-known mice, which is the G502. A few different models of the G502X have been released, coming in with differing features and at different price points. This Plus version is the top of the line, the primary differences from the lower tiers being that it is wireless, and that it has RGB. Opening the box, we are greeted right away by the mouse itself. This would be the USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which you could also attach to make the G502X Plus a wired mouse, or use it as an extender for the wireless dongle. Over here is the USB-C to USB-A converter. Again, if you plan on extending your wireless receiver, instead of attaching it directly to a USB port on your PC. Here are some pamphlets on safety and warranty, as well as for guides on the buttons of the mouse and inclusions in the box. Right underneath the mouse is the aforementioned USB-based wireless dongle or receiver. And beside that is this blanking plastic piece that can be used to replace one of the side buttons on the mouse, if you prefer to not use the said side button. Aside from the scroll wheel having this left and right function, one of the signature features taken from the predecessor G502 is the infinity scroll, which is controlled by this button here. You are able to switch between the traditional step scrolling of the mouse wheel to the infinity or stepless scrolling, and vice versa, with a click of a button. Plastic cover in here to protect the feet. Definitely take that off before using this mouse. And here at the front is the USB-C charging port. And of course, let's not forget the differentiating feature of the Plus variant, the RGB zones. A textured section here on the right to provide more grip. And that is it for this unboxing video of the Logitech G502X Plus mouse. Don't forget to click or tap that like button, as well as the subscribe button to stay updated on my upcoming posts. As always, this is Mo, and thank you for watching.